want to symbolize features in we can carry out this by either using the single symbol that we have by default, or we can use symbol we can symbolize using category by using one or two multiple fields by using one or multiple fields of the features in question. We also have a graduated color. We also have graduated colors. We have vibrate colors. We have graduated symbol, dot densities, and so on and so forth. The unique values makes use of categorical values we have in the field, like building type, names, while the graduated color makes use of quantitative values like, say, population size. It has to do with integers or doubles or floats. For this exercise of recipe building, I'm going to use the unique values. So it selects the building type. Let's say I want to use the um, okay. Let's leave that building type. So I'll come and click add all values. So the different classes that we have, like the church, the classroom, commercial, we've highlighted here. You can see them here in the content pane. And this is going to be on our legend. But for this exercise, I don't want this and all other values. So I right click and remove it. Yeah. You can see that this helps visualization. We are looking at our map. You can see that the light blue colors are hostels in this case. While the light blue, we have some as churches, like this one. These are churches. While these other one are offices that we have within the campus. Okay, so just have one for library. Nice. Okay. We can select a different color ramp or color scheme there. I use let's say this, and then apply it to all. Okay. See, so it's also uses this particular color scheme. Oh, let me show the names. All right. Let me select this on step one. All right. See, beautiful. We can also import symbol from an existing layer. So, for example, I have I just did let's see. I did a layer 5, converted the layer 5 of building that I did in this is it here. Although this is single feature. Let's say no, I just modify this a little bit. Let's say I want to classify this new RSU building using this symbol. I want it to be consistent rather than using this other one that has different color scheme or different colors here. So what I'll do is I'll go to this donut shape sign here. I see import symbology. Could import my symbology. Currently, my symbology is in my exercise file. Rest building layers. Right. Import symbology. The input layer is a rest building the one I'm working on. Then the symbology layer. You see, I could actually select it here or navigate to the folder where my building layer is. Right. maintain ranges. So run. See what happens to my arrays building. Just adopted that of the arrays building, the previous one I did earlier. So let's say you have you're working for a large project and you want the style to be consistent rather than repeating the process you know of tweaking the labels. You can just import the one you've done previously, right? And it's going to be consistent. Good, good. So the same thing can be done for bullet points and line feature also. So I can also bring out my symbology pane from this symbology from my feature layer tab. Symbology, single feature, yeah, color. I'll go to gallery to change the property. I want major roots, or minor roots rather. Pretty. Okay. So currently, if you look at line feature, you find that at every intersection, you see the points, the vertices. At every intersection, you can see that the vertices do not overlap. Right. So I'll go to my symbol layer drawing, right, and enable layer drawing. And enable symbol layer drawing. See, it makes it look cleaner and more presentable compared to the way it was prior. See, lines and fill there. Okay, come back to my symbol, double click. Under the properties, I can you see it comprises of solid stroke, the whites, and there's other color here. I can add more effects to it if I want to. Yeah, by adding whichever effect I want. I can, let's say, let me duplicate this. Duplicate this layer. And I want to change this effect to, I want the dash effects. Yeah, okay, it's already highlighted. I'll go to the properties and change this to the solid stroke. I want to reduce it to save two, two. Yeah, okay, let me make it 100. 100. Yeah, okay, it's not that visible. Or dash that I want is this, and the yeah this color. I want something red. But currently, see it's below this, so it's not going to be visible. And the width, I don't want it that thick. Yeah, so, yep. So I reduced the width of this other one so that I can see the correct. Let's say I want to duplicate this type and can I'll change okay, I can change the label. Currently it's on red. I can change it to something blue. Alright, go to the labeling tab, change it to blue, good, yes. Right back a bit. Let's select this. Nice. Good. Maybe close it a bit. Okay. Yes, I want to use this label for, I want to save it so that I can use it in my subsequent drawing. So what I can do here is to go to my, let's say, I want to save this style that I've edited. Yeah, I'll go to this donut sign, take notes, double click. We are in the format line symbol section because if you click the donut sign here, what you have is import symbology. You double click here, click on the donut sign, you see save symbol to style. So I can give it a name, I call it array SU9 or road category. I say roads, yeah. So okay. All right. So let's see. If I go to my, you see, my gallery, it's saved there for me by default. So I can use it in subsequent drawing. You can also do the same thing for building picture here. Go to my gallery, save it, I call it SU building. Each category is our which building. See, it's saved there for me by default. So I can use it for subsequent design or drawing. No. So currently, concerning our road feature, we find out that if you right click, if you check in the attribute table, under the highway column, we have different types here. We have residential, tertiary, primary link, and so on and so forth. Yes, we want to classify these as road based on the different classes. Yeah. So I'll go to my unique values and I'll select highway. So currently it has categorized the roads into the different highway class that was selected or created initially. So, but I want to group everything to just three road type. Remove my other values. I will group them into, say, major road, or I want to group them into expressway, secondary road, and footpaths. So I'll just select once I think of footpaths. I'm just doing that by default now for the purpose of this exercise. I'll group this, I'll group the values, yeah, I'll call them, I'll select footpaths, yeah, or footpaths. I'll select the primary, uh, primary link. I'll group them together as one. The primary link. I'll group them. I'll call it I'll call them express expressway, residential, and service. I'll go both together and call them service or streets. Change this to be a capitalism. Then secondary, I'll just group them with this. Group them. While the tertiary and expressway. Click next. Use the control key to select multiple. I'll go down. Express, expressway, unclassified. I'll go for unclassified as streets also. Streets, streets. Then I'll change the symbology for, okay. First off, I want my expressway to be up, so I will use this move selected values up. Take it up. My footpath, I want it down. Yeah, nice. Then I want to change the symbology of my expressway. I'll use heavy. Good. My streets. Uh, my streets. I want rest streets or in around, yeah, it's something. And my footpaths. We use I'll look for any dashed line there. Let me search if there's any footpath symbol. Footpath, there's one. Um, okay, I have some that I did learn, but I want to just follow along, so I want to use that. I'll just select any, I'll use this fairy, right? Then change the symbol to white, ash color. Nice. Okay, see. Okay, looking nice, right? But you can see like what we did earlier on the overlapping. So I want a continuous and seamless flow. What I'll do is I'll go to my symbol layer drawing and enable later. You can see it's looking much more better. Each parts. You can see it's better off now. Looks better. As I'm playing. All right.